Previously on Airsoft Elimination.
Isaac was eliminated by Ryan last episode in the Kill Box Showdown, leaving only 4 members who can race through the town against the horde of the Undead. Find out now on Airsoft Elimination. We're gonna do some things! Airsoft Elimination. Okay, you guys are about to fight a horde of undead.
Sweet.
In the CQB village of Viperville. Everyone, please take a firearm. Do not shoot it until you are ready.
Yes.
There are 10 rounds in each one. You will all start at A spawn. You have to make it through the town alive to B spawn. The first 2 that touch B spawn are alive. The other 2 are up for elimination. That's the word. If you are tagged by a zombie, you must run back to A, tag A, and go back through town. If you shoot the zombie anywhere on their person with your spring pistol, they must freeze for 10 seconds. In that 10 seconds, book it. Does anyone here have any questions? I want to see you guys survive the apocalypse. Head to A. Brain.
Gonna get revenge on Chad.
I'm going to get revenge.
On who?
Chad. Because he's a... Yeah, we'll leave that out.
I'm gonna get revenge on that guy in the camo named Earl.
I'm gonna get revenge on John.
I just like to play. I'm gonna get revenge on Chad.
Alright, are you guys ready to attack the undead? Sure. Remember, if you get tagged for any reason and you think it's even close, come back here and touch A. They have 10 seconds. It's not the standard 30. Questions? Are you ready? Yep. Set, go!
Follow me if you want to live.
It's gonna be a race to the finish! John and Earl! Everyone went to the far left. Counts. John and Earl. Congratulations, John and Earl, you made it. That means Ryan and Chad are gonna face off.
But I didn't like that.
Everyone literally.
I know.
I'm lazy. I'm gonna sit in the middle.
All right, guys, bring it in. I'm glad that one went quick.
That's because you guys all stand in the middle. That was the easiest shit you guys did. Yep. It's as if we trained for this 2 weeks ago.
So this is going to be Ryan versus Chad in another CQB showdown. You will be finding and assembling the 3 pieces to the giant red rocket. They will be hidden in identical spots for both of you throughout the CQB field, which is in the orange fence. So once you find a piece, bring it back to A, and once you find all 3, you assemble them at A. Whoever does it in the fastest time wins. They will be timed. Any questions? I'll take that. Anyone else? All right. All right, let's go.
Best of luck.
This is where you will be assembling it. Right here. In this nice spot that I have cleared. Once you find all 3 pieces, you can get them back here, start putting them together. Do either of you have any questions?
Can we carry all of them at
if you would like, but they're really big and heavy. Does anybody have preference who goes first? All right.
I'll go first.
All right, Chad. 3, hand on A. George, are you gonna follow him? Ready, set, go! Chad's back with the third piece. Get to assembling. Time! All right. You all right?
Oh my God! I'm broken.
All right, Ryan, any questions?
Nope.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Set, go! One more. Okay, there you go. Time! It's together.
Yeah.
With a time of 6 minutes and 11 seconds is Ryan. And with a time of 2 minutes and 45 seconds, we have Chad. So, unfortunately, Ryan, I'm going to need you to turn in your bandana. You already knew. All right. Thank you for playing. Chad, congratulations. You can go join the rest of the purple. Unfortunately, Ryan has been eliminated.
Eliminated! On the next Airsoft Elimination.
With Ryan defeated by Chad in the CQB Red Rocket Hunt, that leaves only 3 members. The next episode is a relay race to the finish. Who will win on
Airsoft Elimination?